Hi, I am Emma.
And I'm Ashley.
And we're from the Powerhouse Mobile Dyno.
And this is Chewy. We're going to be opening boxes from JEGS.
JEGS. Nobody beats JEGS.com.
And they sent us 2 huge boxes for giveaway this year to split up between all of our events. And I believe there's 20 plus events.
They donated all.
No.
I want to give a shout out to all of our last year sponsors who donated us. GP Headers donated us t-shirts, stickers, koozies, and Thompson Motorsports gave us t-shirts and stickers, and then Trailside Bait and Tackle donated us t-shirts, stickers.
Alright, we'll open and start putting out so we can see, because this is the first time any of us have seen what is in here. So we don't even know what's in here.
Right here.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Yep.
I know, I don't use this.
They secured it well. That's a good sign.
I know, I just want to make sure I don't cut anything.
Yeah, because there's some good stuff in there, we think.
I see hats, I believe.
Yeah, that's what I see too.
know.
I just didn't want to give it away until we opened it.
Golly! Just want to make sure. Oopsie, I had the bag. It had the bag.
Oh, lots of hats.
Wow.
Lots of hats. Ooh, look at these. Those are nice.
Wow.
And they're all adjustable.
Oh, that's going to help us a lot.
High performance. Just kind of reading. Oh, and there's bags.
There's more.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Yep.
We
You
have
wanna give me
big
this?
bags, so I'm guessing for everything can go in bags.
Yeah, this is going to help
Yeah.
a lot because you guys always ask every year that come to our events.
Excuse
You guys
me.
ask us to if you guys have any bags because we give you so many prizes because we are fair with our prizes.
All the stickers.
We got stickers.
Lots of stickers.
Should probably show you this side.
You just pick up one and then show them. You can actually go like,
Yeah, to give us more room.
yeah. So I can see the stickers.
Sorry, I'm singing Hard Knock Life. Is that magazine? What?
Just say it.
Magazines?
Magazines.
Magazines. Ooh.
More magazines. Maybe catalogs.
What's catalogs?
It's essentially parts catalog, so you can sift through all their sales and what
Oh,
they're
yeah.
selling.
Yep. Oh yeah, so we can put one in each bag with the hats and the sticker. And then
Okay.
they sent us 2 or different.
Yeah, because we don't
Whoa.
have any yet.
Oh, other way.
Right?
Yep.
Other way.
So now we have
Poster.
posters. We have.
Okay.
So don't put it back there, but that's okay. And then we also have another one that's exactly the same.
Besides different sizes.
Oh yeah, this one's a little bit shorter.
Yep.
Yep, same thing.
Yeah, it's the same
I'm
poster.
just making sure. And this box
There's
is
nothing else?
empty now.
And now, could I open this box?
Yeah, you can start opening. Don't cut anything other than the box.
I already got that side.
Oh,
So, open this. Oh, 2 boxes in one. 3 boxes in one.
yeah, I'm not sure what's in this one.
We should probably open this.
Okay.
Oh, 4 boxes in one.
Let's start with these 2 here. Hey.
Okay.
Start with these. Oh, hats. More
Emma,
hats.
Yes.
careful how deep you're going.
Yep. No hats.
More. Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Gosh.
Oops, my bad.
What are you doing?
Oh my gosh. Why did they give us more?
Because we're giving stuff away.
It looks like they're different sizes.
Huh? I mean, no, I think they're all one size fits all. 'Cause they're just,
Oh, they're two.
yep, it's just 2 in 1 kind of thing. You can, I'll put these all in a tote. We won't need boxes.
Oh,
I'm gonna tote it all.
We will have hats at every
here
event.
you go.
Right? And so, yeah, I'm going to open these just in case, but I'm pretty sure they're hats.
Your?
You good?
Give me these.
It's the way you're cutting, honey.
Hey,
Yeah,
that's your belly.
never towards you. Always away. Okay, now you don't need them. It's all hats.
Howie. It stabbed my belly.
Ow! Son of a nutcracker! Nice.
I know, that's why I was trying to just slow down.
So JEGS donated us some free swag for our Guess the Horsepower games this summer. And we have 20 plus
20 plus.
events that we will be giving away all this stuff. Hats, flyers, and some detail stickers.
Wanted to thank everybody. Come out and see us. And have a fun time.
Bye.
Bye.
Subscribe to Powerhouse Mobile Dyno and see what your build is really capable of.
And come guess the horsepower.
Hi, Emma.
Can you do the Dougie?
No.
Come on, do the Dougie.
That's not how you do the Dougie. That's not how you do the Dougie.